Okay, so now let's look at the question on discrete random variables. So the question says the following table gives the probability distribution of a discrete random variable x. Find the probability that x is equals to 2. So now most students overthink probability questions like this one, and they end up losing marks in the final exams. So let me show you the simplest way in which you can answer this question. I am Tutor Paul Solutions from Discrete Learning Institute, where we make learning easy. Okay, so here we've been given a probability distribution table. So what the probability distribution table gives you is just the probabilities at specific values of x. So you can see we have two rows. There's this row 1 and there's this what? Row 2. So the first row here has the values that this x that we are calling a discrete random variable is taking. So x can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, and it can be 3. And then the second row here shows the probabilities at those particular what? Points. So you can see here that when x is 0, the probability will just be 0.15. Okay. When this x is 1, the probability will be 0.20. Okay. When x is 2, the probability will be 0.35. And when x is 3, the probability will be 0.30. So now here we are asked to find the probability that x is equals to 2, sorry. So meaning probability when this x is equals to 2, which is just this guy here down. So this probability will simply be equals to 0.35. So that is our answer there. So when you look at the options, you see that this answer is on option A. So we chose A as our answer. So you can see how simple this question is. Okay, so this is one of the easiest questions in the exam. Make sure you do not lose marks on such questions. Okay, so this here is just one of the questions that we got from the exam past papers. Okay, so let me show you the exam past paper. So for example, this is the 2025 exam past paper, and it has two sections, section A and B. Okay, section A has 25 multiple choice questions. Section B has 5 structured questions, and we've answered all the questions to help you prepare for your what? For your final exam. So you can take a look here. These are the questions here, and we've answered all these step by step, explaining in a clear way that anyone can understand. Okay, so you can see multiple choice questions, we solved all of them. Then we go to the structured questions as well, the two-way classification tables and the like. We've solved all these questions, and the videos are available on our website, which is discretelearning.com. So you can visit discretelearning.com and you'll be able to find the videos to all these questions as you prepare for your what? For your final examinations. So an exam tip from this question here is that in the exam, don't overthink. Whenever you are given a probability distribution table for a discrete random variable, just read the probabilities directly from the table. You do not have to calculate. These are free marks. Okay. And if you like to access more such helpful videos, okay, like to the past papers, full solutions to the tutorial sheets, full topic lessons, okay, and guidance from us, plus our daily live classes that happen at 20 hours, you are free to register with us and start enjoying and understanding and preparing for your exams in the most proper way. Okay, so for those who have never seen our website, let me actually show you. So just go to Chrome and then you open discretelearning.com. When you open this website, if you do not have an account, it will tell you to create one. Once you create, you can log in and come and subscribe for any of these courses here. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you're semester 1 or semester 2. If you want math, you subscribe for this math here, and then inside you're going to find the distinction of semester 1 and semester 2. So you pick your semester. We also have lessons for chemistry, for physics, for biology, everything that you want, tutorial sheets, past papers, topic lessons, consultations from us, plus daily live classes at 20 hours. So register now and don't miss the class at 20 hours today. We'll be solving more exam questions like this one here. Right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't lose easy marks. You can subscribe and learn with us, okay, step by step, and subscribe now and start preparing now. Okay, so for those who'd like to actually subscribe, you can check the link in the description below here. It's going to show you how to subscribe and how to make payments for your desired courses. Okay, but if you'd like to get in touch with us, you can get in touch with us on 0779 96 40 10, and that is Tutor Poet Solutions. But if you just want to self-register without contacting us, just check the link in the description below. It will show you everything that you have to do for you to register. All right. Thank you so much, and all the best as you prepare for your final exams.